Hello everyone, Danny here with QuestionPro, and today I want to talk about slider questions and surveys. Let's dive in. So a slider question is actually pretty easy to use. All you have to do is drag a slider across a scale to pick your answer. In this case, there's no need to type a number or pick a fixed option. So slider questions are great for asking things like how much time you spend on different activities, how often you eat certain cuisines, and how satisfied you are with something. So there are two main types. One is a text slider that lets you pick a word or a phrase, and then there's a numerical slider that lets you pick a number. For example, a text slider could ask something like, how satisfied are you with this service? You can range it from very dissatisfied to very satisfied. So then a numerical slider would ask, on a scale of 0 to 100, how likely are you to recommend this product to a friend? And then you would drag a slider across that scale within that range. One cool feature is that you can actually select the starting point for the slider to avoid any bias. It ensures that you also have accurate data as well. Plus, sliders work really great on both desktop and mobile phones, so it's easy for anyone to answer from anywhere. In short, sliders are pretty interactive, simple, and give great feedback, so I would recommend it for your next survey. Give it a try.